Hello students, welcome to channel Maths Mint by Kamlesh. It is a question of class 11 Maths, exercise 9.3, question 22 from NCERT book, chapter is sequences and series. In question it is given the sum of two number is 6 times their geometric means. So a plus b, sum of two numbers a plus b will be 6 times of geometric mean. Geometric mean of two numbers a and b will be root under ab. Right, this we shall take as equation 1 to prove by question, so that the numbers are in the ratio 3 plus 2 root 2 is to 3 minus 2 root 2. To prove a by b means their ratio will be 3 plus 2 root 2 by 3 minus 2 root 2. This we have to prove by squaring both sides. A plus b whole square will be 6 square is equal to 36, root under ab square is equal to ab. Right, now a plus b whole square is here, and at least we have to find the value of either a or b. So to eliminate the value of b, we have to know the value of a. We shall eliminate this b. For that we shall take here a plus b whole square is 36ab. So we shall take now a minus b whole square, and this in terms of a plus b whole square it will be a plus b whole square minus 4ab. This is very old formula we are knowing from class 9 and 10. Now a minus b whole square, a plus b whole square is equal to 36ab here minus 4ab. So a minus b whole square will be 32ab minus 4ab 36, 32ab. So a minus b will be root of this 32 means 16 into 2, 16 under root will be 4, and root 2 will be here, and this ab will be under root. Right, there is no problem. This we are taking equation 2 by adding 1 and 2. By adding 1 and 2, a plus b is equal to 6 under root ab, and this ab, a minus b will be 4 root 2 under root ab. This will be plus here, this will be plus here. So it will be this plus and minus ab will be cancelled. 2a will be 6 root ab plus 4 root 2 root ab. I think there will be no problem. Now a will be dividing all the terms by 2. So it will be a will be 3 root ab plus 2 root 2 root ab. Okay, this we are taking as equation 3. Now going further, a will be root ab, we shall take common. So in bracket 3 will remain, and 2 plus 2 into root 2 will remain. Okay, this is the value of a. Now putting value of a in equation 1 from 3. Right, so 1 is a plus b 6 ab under root. So a plus b is equal to 6 under root ab. Now a is from 3 we are taking, so it will be 3 root ab plus 2 root 2 under root ab, 2 root 2 under ab equal to, and this plus b will remain here, it will be 6 root ab. Okay, this b we shall keep here, this 6 root ab will remain here, this will be minus 3 root AB. This will be minus 2 root 2 under root AB. This is plus, this is minus, this is plus, this is minus, this side. Now B equal to 6 root AB minus 3 root AB will be 3 root AB, and here it will be 2 root 2 AB under root. Now we shall take common under root AB. So B is equal to under root AB. This 3 will be here. This minus 2 root 2 will remain here. Okay. So this is the value of B. Now A is here, and B is here. So A by B, A is A root under AB, and 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, and B is under root AB, 3 minus 2 root 2, right? This root under AB cancelled, so it will be 3 plus 2 root 2 by 3 minus 2 root 2, hence proved. This you have to prove, hence proved, right? I hope you will please like, share and subscribe this channel. Thanks.